Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer. When I was 18 years old, I left my small town and went to a big city for further schooling. And at that school was a student who was older than we were. And she was absolutely stunning, just gorgeous. She had perfect makeup, perfect hair, perfect nails, lovely skin. She drove expensive cars, wore expensive clothes. She was married, so we became friends. Eventually, I went to her home, and in her bathroom, in a beautiful glass bowl, she had guest soaps. I was so impressed by those soaps. The fragrance was divine, the colors delicate and feminine, and the shapes unique. I was used to supermarket soaps. When I was leaving, she gave me a couple to take home with me. And I have always remembered that lady because of her soaps. So 10 years ago, when I started making soaps, I called them guest soaps. So today, we will be making some natural handmade guest soaps. Let's do it. For the lather test, lots of lovely, rich, moisturizing suds, loaded with 5% of all those natural oils and butters, vitamin E, shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil. These soaps are excellent. Excellent, excellent. I love them. Here they are in a glass bowl. Some of the best people still have guest soaps in their bathroom. Join them. Thanks for watching. Peace out.